Hey guys, today I'm going to be picking up girls without saying anything. How? With the magic trick. Check it out.
Oh my god! Oh my god! This is the best thing that's happened all day. I'll get a number. I don't know it. Do you always wear this shirt? Yeah. Okay. 273 I love. Like, you're serious? It's okay. It's okay. I'll just move away. Are you serious? No, thanks.
Hey, excuse me. Can I show you guys a magic trick?
Sure.
Yeah, check this out. See my shirt? How about that? Yeah.
Wow.
Can I get your number?
No.
Why not?
Sorry, I'm not into that kind of thing. What's
Why
the
not?
magic trick? Is there a red shirt underneath? I'm curious.
Well, it's not. There's no shirt right over here. I mean, yeah.
How wet is the shirt?
Their shirt is gone. It's magic.
How is it done?
It's done. I mean, I cannot reveal my.
There it is.
Love it. Yeah. That's very nice. I don't know how it works, but it's just like this.
Actually, I can speak.
Oh, you can. What?
We were filming a video.
No.
And you were like, when I turned around, I was like, you're gonna get freaked out. You said, you were like, you were pretty cool. Oh yeah, sure, you can have my number. I was like, wow, that easy? Wow. Yeah, you were pretty friendly. Where are you from?
Denmark.
Denmark. Okay, the title is Picking Up Girls Without Saying Anything. But I'll still text you. I mean, you guys have a nice day. Let's go. Pick me up. Let's go. Take me there. Yes, Habibi. Take me there.